Welcome to Kerala Pics channel. We are now at the Kandakadvu Sea viewpoint near Chellam in Kochi. This is a walkway on top of a 7.3-kilometer long seawall built to protect Chellam and nearby villages from coastal erosion and rough seas. On clear evenings, if you visit here, you can witness a breathtaking sunset view and see fishing boats engaged in fishing far out in the Arabian Sea. The walkway here is paved with tiles and is very clean, and on one side, there's a protective barrier similar to those seen on bridges. Since there is no shade on the walkway, it will be very hot here during the daytime. It would be wise to visit this place in the evening. As there are no street lights here, it's also best to avoid visiting at night. Although it's a great place to enjoy expansive sea views and a refreshing sea breeze, you won't be able to see waves crashing onto the shore like on a beach, nor can you wet your feet in the sea waves here. We can conveniently park our vehicles below and access the elevated walkway through a series of steps provided at regular intervals. This 7.36-kilometer long seawall, stretching from Chellam Fishing Harbour to Puthenthod, has two components. The part facing the sea is constructed with tetrapods, and the part towards the land is built with granite stones. The 2.5-meter wide walkway we are currently on is built on top of this granite stone structure. How many people know that there is such a beautiful coastal walkway, over 7 kilometers long, near Kochi city? Following a decade-long protest by residents led by the Chellam Jankiya Vedi, Chellam People's Forum, the government commenced the construction of the seawall in 2021. The Ulungal Labour Contract Cooperative Society, ULCCS, implemented this project with financial assistance of 344.2 crore rupees from the Kerala Infrastructure Investment Fund Board, KIFB. The study was conducted by the Chennai-based National Centre for Coastal Research, NCCR. The Anti-Sea Erosion Project Management Unit, under the Kerala Irrigation Department, also supervised the project. This is the largest sea wall construction project ever undertaken by the Kerala Irrigation Department. The sea wall is constructed with tetrapods weighing 5 tons, 3.5 tons, and 2 tons, arranged on the side facing the sea. The landward side is reinforced with stacked granite stones 3 meters high from ground level. The concrete pathway we are currently walking on, 2.5 meters wide, is built on top of the stone wall. Steps have been installed at 16 locations along the seawall to access the walkway. Handrails have also been fitted on the sea-facing side of this walkway. Chellam is a narrow strip of land situated between the Arabian Sea and the backwaters. This seawall was constructed to protect the coastal areas of Chellam Panchayat from sea erosion. One can reach Kandakadvu by travelling approximately 20 kilometers from Kochi city via Thopumpadi and Kannamli on State Highway 66. Tourists travelling to and from Alappuzha and Mararikulam via State Highway 66 can stop their vehicles here and enjoy this coastal ambience. You can take a leisurely stroll along this beautiful coastal walkway at Kandakadvu, enjoying the sea views, the soothing sound of the waves, and the refreshing sea breeze. This is a perfect place to spend your time amidst stunning coastal scenery, especially in the evenings. We have now walked about 1.5 kilometers on this 7.3-kilometer walkway, and now we are walking back towards the Kandakadvu area. This tetrapod wall has been instrumental in preventing sea erosion bringing great relief to the coastal residents. It proved very helpful for the people in the sea erosion-prone Chelnam area of Ernakulam district during the most recent monsoon fury. Areas that used to get flooded due to sea erosion in previous years have remained much safer even after the monsoon intensified. Pleased with this success, the state government is planning to extend this project to other coastal areas in the state facing similar threats. Below, we can see the houses and buildings that were damaged by sea erosion before the seawall was built. The surrounding landscape is lush with greenery, as numerous coconut trees stand in rows on the landward side of the walkway. This provides a beautiful backdrop against the blue sky. It is a perfect paradise for those seeking tranquility and a connection with nature. If you like this video about the Kandakadvu Sea Viewpoint Walkway and the Chelnam Tetrapod Seawall, please subscribe to this Keralapix channel. It is very essential for the growth of this channel.